Blanket Installation is a home performance contractor, and we offer whole home solutions to make the home more safe, comfortable, and energy efficient. We provide insulation for needed areas in the home, such as attic, walls, and crawl spaces. The types of insulation we primarily use are blown-in cellulose and fiberglass. We provide complete home air sealing, which involves spray foam application at the rim joists, weather stripping of doors, treating attic accesses. We offer furnace and air conditioners, window replacements, and roofing. We can now perform home energy assessments or energy audits, which through the use of special diagnostic equipment can give you a very accurate measurement of where your home stands in terms of health and safety.
First thing we do, we come in, we actually take dimensions on the house and do a visual inspection on the outside. We want to get our measurements so we can calculate area and volume. That way we can do calculations to figure out how much air flows in the house. We come in, we do a combustion safety test, which includes checking carbon monoxide on the furnace, the hot water tank, any combustion appliance in the home, monitoring ambient carbon monoxide the whole time. Carbon monoxide is present in any house that contains a combustion appliance, whether this be from your fireplace, your oven, or the furnace and hot water tank. It's a very dangerous byproduct of combustion, and too high levels can be lethal, so we always check for that. We want to make sure that the levels are within safe limits, and if they aren't, we notify you immediately. We check for gas leaks in the house. We set up a blower door, which is a device where we actually install a fan into the door, depressurize the house, and then check for the air leaks with this fan. Couple that with the thermal imaging camera and smoke pencils, we can actually find any leak that you might have in your house.
That source right there at the rim joist is, a really good source for air infiltration. You've got small gaps and cracks, and you add that up over the whole length of the house, ends up being a pretty big size hole. It's almost the equivalent of having a window open.
After that, we'll check for insulation levels, make sure they're where they're supposed to be, and if they're not, give you recommendations on how to get them where they need to be. At the end of every audit, after we've collected all our data, we compile a report, a detailed report, on what we found in the house and what's going on. And it's going to, in detail, tell you what's going on with the health and safety issues that we find, where the insulation's at, where the air sealing needs to be at, and we give you recommendations on how to solve all these problems.